Welcome to 10 Lang Street in Coolum Beach, where luxury meets lifestyle in one of the most breathtaking locations on the Sunshine Coast. Just a 7-minute walk from the beach, this Tuscan-inspired estate is perched 60 metres above sea level, offering uninterrupted 300-degree views from Noosa to Mooloolaba and across to Mount Coolum and the hinterland ranges. Whether you're watching the sunrise over the ocean or sunset over the hills, the panorama is simply unmatched. This grand residence sits on a generous 1,146 square metre block and spans over 586 square metres of internal living space. With 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms and 3 kitchens, the home is designed for multi-generational living or dual or even triple occupancy, making it as versatile as it is luxurious. Step inside and you're greeted by a dramatic timber ceiling and a sun-drenched atrium beneath a circular domed skylight. The living areas are warm and welcoming, with custom granite and natural stone flooring, and every room captures a different slice of the spectacular views. Entertain in style with multiple living zones, both indoor and outdoor. The centerpiece, a private indoor-outdoor pool area, complete with a bathroom and bar. Your own personal resort. And with plenty of parking, a 2-car garage and 4 additional off-street spaces. Hosting guests is effortless. Solidly built with concrete slabs and designed to stand the test of time. This home has been cherished by its current owners for over 27 years, and now it's ready for its next chapter. All of this just 15 minutes from Sunshine Coast Airport in one of Queensland's most desirable postcodes. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure a once-in-a-generational property in Coolum Beach. Call or text me for more information on this property.